If you want to help protect your web identity, VPN is a great resource. You can have a VPN spoof that your iPhone is actually in another country and help protect your privacy. I'll show you some options to turn that on. Let's head into the settings here on your iPhone. And once you're in the settings, you'll be able to see, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see midway down there is General. Let's just tap on the General here. And now you're going to scroll down to the bottom of your iPhone. The first option you can see here is VPN and device management. The first option is to set one up manually. Now at the very top, I can tap on VPN and hit add a VPN configuration. But this requires some advanced knowledge of how VPNs work. Essentially, you'll get something that looks like this. It says basically what the DNS servers are, the proxy host name, the port, all that stuff. So if you are more advanced, you can always enter it in here and manually connect to a VPN. But most people don't want to use this. There are two other options to get a great VPN. So let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. Believe it or not, there is a built-in VPN on your iPhone. You can tap on your name at the very top, in my case, just Trevor Nace. And now you'll see midway down is iCloud. Just tap on iCloud on your phone. And now you'll be able to see it says save to iCloud, below that iCloud backup, and then iCloud Plus features. Now, if you have the option for private relay, tap on it and you can turn this on. This is a built-in VPN on every iPhone. However, you might need iCloud Plus to be able to do this. You can see I can change my IP address location to maintain my general location, kind of the city that I'm in, or just use the country and time zone. However, this doesn't allow you to change the country that your VPN is routing through. It'll still have the country and time zone of your current country and time zone. If you wanted to do that and get a bit more functionality in terms of different options and different servers to connect to, you need a third-party app. So just open up the App Store here and tap on the search button at the bottom right. And we will just search for VPN. And I'll walk you through the entire process to set this up. A great option is this VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. So let's just tap on download here to download this app. And I'll show you exactly how it works. Basically, this will connect your phone from your current phone wherever you are, and it will connect to a basically server in another country, or in your same country, you can choose wherever you want. And from connecting from that server from you to that other country, then it will connect to a website. So if it's a website or an app that you visit, that will just see that intermediary server from some other country, like I'm in the United States and I could have one in the United Kingdom or in France or in Germany or Czechoslovakia or anywhere else like that. Now, just wait until this downloads. It's downloading rather slow on your phone, on my phone, but I might not let you basically stay around for this whole thing. But anyway, when you open it up, you don't need to pay for it. So just exit out of any basically pop-up that says, hey, do you want to pay for this? And at the very end, just hit check yes for everything. Allow it to access your VPN, allow it to manage your VPN, and then go through the process and you'll be able to just toggle it on and off directly on here.